Hi class, my name is Thuy Hoang. I'm studying class Women and Leisure 310 for 2018. So when I have free time, I always go for a hike. I like hiking, and I also like hanging out with my friends sometimes. We meet, we talk, eat, and have fun. I like cooking. Um, I like trying new food from different countries, and I also like finding new coffee shop to have cappuccino because I love cappuccino so much. It is so good. Okay, so about what has influenced my hobby choice, I think hiking is a very healthy activity, and I'm the person who really like nature, and hiking is the best way to get closer to nature. And there's a lot of like beautiful trails around Bay Area, so I want to take this advantage. It's free. After hiking, I feel like so refreshing and like so energetic to do other things better. I like cooking because my mom she's a good cook, and I want to be a good cook too. Um, I like trying new food because I think I get this hobby from my dad. So for cross-gender activities, I will choose to build a computer because I think whenever we hear like building a computer, we always think this activity is for men only, like men's activity. So we don't know any components inside the computer. We just turn on the computer and use it. We don't know any like hardwares to make it work. So um, I'm gonna choose this activity to show that women also can do it and to see how hard it is. So the biggest challenge on this project is how to assemble all the components correctly to make it work. And also I have to be very patient. It's like mechanical stuff I have to deal with, like tools and equipment. So I think it's gonna be hard for me. However, I think doing this project, I can learn um, and understand the components of hardware and all the technical details of computer hardware, and I also can build a computer for myself in the future, but I don't need to ask for like my dad or my brothers or my boyfriends to help me because I already have experience after doing this project. Okay, so thank you for listening and see you in next video.